Hi, what's up Cardano holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Cardano condition is very critical now because whether this is temporarily fails down, as you can see here this time. The Cardano price were fails down from last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days. That's mean, my friends, doing last week completely Cardano were fails down. But this time, my friend, as you can see here, just in only on the last 7 days, here is they would show plus 0.41%. But absolutely, my friend, in last 24 hours they were also fails down. So therefore, as you can see, they were continuously fails down, and every coin, my friend, this time very badly fails down because all crypto market is uncomfortable, and when a crypto market is not comfortable, so everybody know this too, my friend, the prices of all currencies were very badly fails down. So therefore, I will tell you, my friends, to this and this month and the last month, my friends, the Cardano price will $3 but they were fails down to 2.13 USD. So it's really huge dump, my friend. $1 they will lose now just and only in 1 month. But don't worry, my friend, absolutely in upcoming days, my friend, there is a 70% chance so they will pump up, because in the last 10 days of every month, every coin, my friends, will completely get a very huge pump. So therefore, I hope, my friends, in upcoming days Cardano will pump up and give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance, my friends. First of all, if you have any plan to invest now, then absolutely, my friend, it's really good time because the price is very cheap now, so you can easily invest now and get a very good profit. So I hope, my friends, you will earn a lot of money from crypto, but if you touch with ABS Tech channel. So just only subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you will subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.